In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and integrate 3D design in Framer. This full tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to follow along with ease. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to Framer's website. Framer is a no-code website builder that's highly popular among designers due to its powerful and intuitive features designed to help you create professional websites. Once you're there, you'll see the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that option to enter your login credentials. If you haven't already created an account, you will need to sign up. Framer's interface is user-friendly, so you'll find it easy to navigate through this process. After you log in, you'll land on Framer's home page. The home page serves as your command center for all your projects. From here, you will see a list of your current projects, along with options to create new ones. Choose the project you wish to work on by clicking on it. Don't worry if you're not sure which project to select. Just pick any that suits your needs for 3D design integration. Once you've opened your project, you'll want to locate the Utility section. This section holds various tools that will be useful in enhancing your project's functionality. Click on Utility to explore the options available to you. The Utility section is designed to provide additional features and enhance the interactivity of your projects, so it's an important step in the process. Now, look for the Embed option within the Utility section. This is a crucial feature not only for integrating 3D designs, but also for adding other interactive elements to your project. Clicking on Embed will allow you to incorporate 3D elements effectively. Whether you're embedding models, animations, or interactive graphics, the Embed function in Framer makes it seamless. Throughout this process, it's important to preview your progress by using Framer's Preview mode. This feature lets you see how your 3D designs appear in real time, enabling you to make any necessary tweaks and adjustments. It's a great way to ensure everything looks just right before you publish your final project. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created and integrated a 3D design into your Framer project. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment with Framer's features to fully unleash your creativity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel free to share your newly created designs. See you in the next video.